कुछ हया कर।
ना कर ना मदरू पाक खुदा दा वास्ता ना करो।
यहाँ ये क्या कर रहे हो, लोग क्या कहेंगे? मियाँ कुछ हया कर। सर, जब मौलवियों ने आपके साथ यानी सदियों में ये खिलवाड़ किया है दीन के नाम के ऊपर, तो फिर आप भुगतेंगे। लेकिन अल्लाह का शुक्र है हर उरूज को ज़वाल है। इनका ज़वाल अब आपके सामने है कि बाप दादा गुमराही के पेशवा थे, आज औलादें जो हैं वो 3 तलाक़ें दे के और 4 तकबीरें पढ़ के अपने आबा अजदाद के मज़हब को दफना के झूम झूम के कह रही है क्या कि नाम है वाबी, नाम है बाबी, मैं हूं मुस्लिम इल्मी किताबी।
What does it feel like to be a Muslim in India today? Taunted by the BJP, attacked by vigilantes, the silent majority you believe supports you but it keeps silent. What does it feel like to be a Muslim in Modi's India?
It feels terrible. But that Muslim who has faith in Allah is not afraid. I'm not afraid. Because I know death is not in their hands. وَإِزُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ وَالذِّلُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ. I am the one who will give you honor and I am the one who will give you dishonor. I am the one who feeds you. I will feed you. Hold my rope strongly. I hold Allah's rope strongly. That He will take us out of this tragedy. Moses will be born. There was Pharaoh, who called himself God, built his own temples, used Bani Israel, who believed in Allah, and tortured, like Muslims are being tortured today. He said Moses, he was born to a Muslim family. Pharaoh's wife saw this child's cry when he was killing all the children because he had told him that boy will be born who will destroy you. In that very house Moses grew. And when he grew, God sent him back and said, Moses, now go, tell him that I am God, you are not God. And when he didn't listen, what did Moses do? He said, Moses, take your people away. But there was sea in front. And he said, now put your sick before the sea. Sea divided. And Pharaoh and all his army blew.
God gave Moses the vision to take the people to another country.
He will create another Moses, you be sure about it.